Hey there, fellow creatives. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, the channel where we explore innovative ways to harness our skills and achieve success. Today, we've got something really exciting in store for you. If you've ever wondered how to sell AI-generated art on Fiverr, you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of digital creativity and sharing a step-by-step guide to get you started on your journey. Let's get started. First, head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, click on the AI service category. From here, you'll find a treasure trove of opportunities to showcase your unique skills. Next, we're diving into the magic of AI art generation using the incredible DALL-E tool. It's as simple as giving a piece of text to the AI. It generates an image. For this, you'll need to visit openai.com, explore the capabilities of DALL-E tool, and let your creativity run wild. Now that you've got your AI-generated art ready to go, let's talk about optimizing your Fiverr gig for success. Follow these tips to stand out in the crowd and attract potential buyers. Step 1. Choose the right title for your gig. Make it descriptive, engaging, and reflective of what you offer. Step 2. Use an eye-catching image that represents your AI art style. Remember, first impressions matter. Step 3. Carefully choose your gig metadata, including the category and subcategory. Step 4. Optimize your gig search tags. Step 5. Craft a compelling gig description. Clearly explain your offerings, your unique approach, and the benefits buyers will get. Step 6. Address potential questions with a frequently asked questions section. This shows you are proactive and attentive to your buyers' needs. Step 7. Create clear requirements for your buyers. This ensures a smoother collaboration and sets expectations from the start. And there you have a creative mind. Selling AI art on Fiverr doesn't have to be a mystery. By following these steps and harnessing the power of AI, you can showcase your unique talents and connect with clients from all around the world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow artists. And remember, we've got a ton more creative insights coming your way. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.